Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Blind spot assist. And let's go around to the back. We've got 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and GLA 250 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, memory seats, driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle is 16,208, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, backup camera, and navigation. Mercedes-Benz shifter, climate control, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.